Namaste to all dear warriors. Here I am with a new video relating to rectification of errors, and in this video we are going to discuss what is mean by errors and what are the various types of errors. Okay, so without wasting further more time, as it is very precious, let us see what are the errors and how many types are there. So some introduction we need to write relating to what is mean by error, etc. So an unintentional omission or commission of an amount and accounts in the process of recording transaction are commonly known as errors. अनइंटेंशनली कुछ भूल जा रहे आप या एक दूसरे के लिए लिख रहे ఒకదాని బదులు ఒకటి రాస్తున్నాము లేదు అని అంటే ఏదైనా మర్చిపోయినాము ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలని కాదు ఓకే అనుకోకుండా కొన్ని పొరపాట్లు జరుగుతాయి దాన్నే ఏమంటున్నాం మనం ఎర్రర్స్ దీస్ వేరియస్ అన్ఇంటెన్షనల్ errors can be committed at the stage of collecting the financial information or data on the basis of which financial statements are drawn or at the stage of recording this information. While collecting the data or while recording the data, errors may happen. So also errors may occur as a result of mathematical mistakes or mistakes in applying the accounting policy. Sometimes you may do calculation by your own and by mistake you will take instead of 500 5000 or 50 or sometimes 5050 it is 5050 5050 but by mistake you wrote 5000 500. So these are mathematical mistakes which may occur or because of accounting policies while recording the transactions accounting principles जो भी है वो फॉलो नहीं करते हुए treating capital expenditure or revenue expenditure as capital expenditure or because of oversight or you don't know the proper information relating to it, errors may occur. To check the arithmetical accuracy of journal and ledger accounts, trial balance is prepared. If trial balance is get tallied, there is a arithmetical accuracy of accounting books, that is what we say. But if trial balance is not tallying, if trial balance does not tally, then it can be said that there are errors in the accounts which require to rectification thereof. अगर ट्रायल बैलेंस टैली नहीं हो रहा మన ట్రయల్ బ్యాలెన్స్ టాలీ అవ్వట్లేదు అని అంటే there are some errors of these may affect the trial balance and some do not have any impact on the trial balance, although errors may affect determination of profit or loss or assets and liabilities of the business. Sometimes some errors will be there but they do not have any impact on the trial balance because you are totally omitting a transaction. మొత్తానికి మొత్తం మనం ఒక ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ని ఏం చేసినాం వదిలేసినాం पूरा का पूरा छोड़ दिए या एक ट्रांजैक्शन आपने डेबिट साइड में गलत लिखे वही गलती क्रेडिट साइड में भी लिखे आर एल्स एक अकाउंट में डेबिट में गलती लिखे दूसरे अकाउंट में క్రెడిట్ में గల్తీ లికే ఒక దగ్గర డెబిట్లో తప్పు చేసినాం అట్లాంటి తప్పే క్రెడిట్లో కూడా చేసినాం ఇంకో అకౌంట్లో సో కంపెన్సేట్ అయిపోతాయి ఒకదానికొకటి కంపెన్సేట్ అయిపోతాయి దట్ ఈస్ వై those will not be detected by the trial balance. So we can classify errors into two things generally. Basically there are types of errors, two types of errors. How many types? One is error of principle, another one is clerical errors. In clerical errors again we are having errors of omission, errors of commission, compensating errors, three types. Majorly there are two errors, one is clerical, another one is non-clerical, or you can say it as error of principle. So what are these error of principle? Let us see. Errors of principle. Okay, what it is? Error of principle. When a transaction is recorded in contravention of accounting principles, like treating purchase of an asset as an expenditure. It is a capital expenditure, but you are treating as a revenue expenditure. Like purchase of machinery is there. You need to write the general entry, machinery account debit to cash or bank, right? But instead of that, what you wrote, purchases account debit to cash or bank. Actually लिखना था machinery, but what you wrote, purchases. So these are treated as errors of principles. Okay, in this case there is no effect in the trial balance since the amount are placed on the correct side. वो डेबिट वाला डेबिट में ही है, क्रेडिट वाला क्रेडिट में है. बट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर मीन्स instead of debiting one account, you have debited another account. So though a wrong account, okay, suppose the purchase of computer or office expenses account is debited. So instead of machinery account, you are debiting purchases, na, like that. This will agree the trial balance, but it is a error of principle. Okay, that should be rectified. Okay, at the preparation of rectification of errors. So let us see the clerical errors. These arises because of mistake committed in ordinary course of the accounting work. These are three types. Okay, while making the accounts, while making posting from journal to ledger, or from source documents to journal entry, when you are writing the data in original entry book, that is journal, primarily this may happen sometimes. Errors of omission. If a transaction completely or partially omitted from the books of accounts, it will be a case of omission. Suppose you are writing the journal entries and you have forgot to record one transaction at all. So fully omit कर दिए. Okay, or you have recorded in purchase book, but you have forgot to write the same thing in the cash book. कैश परचेजेस है, परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट, जर्नल एंट्री देके ओके परचेज बुक में पोस्ट कर दिए, लेकिन कैश परचेज लेक्चर अकाउंट में डेबिट साइड में लिखे, बट कैश अकाउंट में पेमेंट साइड लिखना भूल गए हैं, देन इट इज़ नोन एज पार्शल. एग्जाम्पल would be not recording credit purchases of furniture or not posting entry to the ledger. ओके, एक पूरा भूल जाना, नहीं तो एक में लिखना दूसरे में नहीं लिखना, दैट इज पार्शियल एरर, partial omission we will say. Errors of commission. If an amount posted in the wrong account or it is written on the wrong side of the totals are wrong and wrong balance is struck, it will be case of errors of commission. Okay, whether you are writing in the wrong account, लिखना था wages account में, ओके, बट लिखे किस में, मशीनरी में, ओके, आर एल्स यू रोट इन दी सैलरीज अकाउंट, ओके, इंस्टेड ऑफ वेजेस अकाउंट. दीज आर commission, errors of commission. Or instead of writing debit side, you wrote on the wrong side, credit side. These are called as errors of commission. Okay, next, compensating errors. If the effect of error is committed cancel out, errors will be called as compensating errors. एक में डेबिट गलत लिखे 10 रुपये, दूसरे जगह पे और एक अकाउंट में क्रेडिट भी 10 रुपये गलती से लिख दिए. सो ये डेबिट गलती, ये क्रेडिट गलती एक दूसरे को क्या कर रहा, कंपेंसेट कर रहा. सो दिस विल बी बिकॉज compensating errors will not be detected by the trial balance. Balance will get agree. Okay, suppose a amount of rupees 10 received from A is not credited to his account and total of sales book is in excess of, एक में 10 रुपये लिखना भूल गए, दूसरी जगह पे 10 रुपये और एक जगह पे ज़्यादा लिख दिए. ओके, एक में भूल गए, एक क्रेडिट भूल गए, दूसरा क्रेडिट इंक्रीज करे. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस व्हाट हैपेंस, एक दूसरे को కంపెన్సేట్ కర్రే, ఒకదానికొకటి ఏమైతున్నాయి కంపెన్సేట్ చేస్తున్నాయి. ఇట్లాంటి ఎర్రర్స్ని కంపెన్సేటింగ్ ఎర్రర్స్ అంటాం. ఇంకో రకంగా చూసుకుంటే దెర్ ఆర్ టూ అదర్ types of errors from the point of errors which are categorized on the basis of preparation of trial balance, which affect the trial balance, which do not affect, or which can be detected by the preparation of trial balance, which cannot be detected by the preparation of trial balance, we say. Sometimes they will ask errors that can be detected by the trial balance, means which affect the trial balance. Okay, see, these are the that affect the trial balance. Because of these errors trial balance does not agree and it will be detected easily. Wrong casting of subsidiary books. Okay, totaling mistake करना या एक काउंटिंग मिस्टेक करना, these are wrong balancing of account. Okay, बैलेंस करते वक्त सही कर, टू बैलेंस कैरी डाउन बाय बैलेंस कैरी डाउन करते ना, in that case you are doing the wrong. पोस्टिंग ऑफ एन अमाउंट ऑन द रॉन्ग साइड. ओके, डेबिट में लिखना, क्रेडिट में लिखे. पोस्टिंग ऑन द रॉन्ग अमाउंट, अमाउंट ही गलत लिखे, 525 लिखना था. ओके, 525 लिखना था, 252 लिख दिए. ओके, ऐसा. आर एल्स 525 नीड टू बी रिटर्न बट यू रोट 552 like this. These are wrong postings. Because of this your trial balance will not agree and these can be easily identified. Committed omitting to post an amount from the subsidiary books. सेल्स बुक्स, परचेस बुक्स, सेल्स रिटर्न्स, परचेस बुक, ऐसे सब्सिडरी बुक्स रहते हैं, वहाँ से अकाउंट्स में पोस्ट करना भूल गए. ఓకే, అక్కడ నుంచి వేరే అకౌంట్స్లో వేయడం మర్చిపోయినాం. ఒమిటింగ్ టు పోస్ట్ ది టోటల్స్ ఆఫ్ సబ్సిడరీ బుక్స్. ఆ టోటల్స్ తీసుకుపోయి, సబ్సిడరీ బుక్స్ టోటల్స్ తీసుకుపోయి మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, లెక్చర్స్లో రాస్తాం. सब्सिडरी बुक्स के टोटल लेके जाके कहाँ पे लिखते हैं, लेक्चर अकाउंट में. बट यू हैव ओमिटेड मीन्स forgot to record. In that case these will be easily detected by the trial balance. So this is one of those. And omitting to write the cash book balance in the trial balance. Okay, or omitting to write the balance of an account in trial balance. Trial balance prepare करते वक्त you forgot to write some amount, okay, debit side or credit side, then those will be treated as affecting the trial balance, errors affecting the trial balance. Writing the balance in the wrong column of trial balance. Okay, डेबिट का क्रेडिट में लिखना, क्रेडिट का डेबिट में. समटाइम्स रिटर्न इनवर्ड्स रहता है. ओके, रिटर्न इनवर्ड्स, रिटर्न इनवर्ड्स मीन्स सेल्स रिटर्न्स, बट यू रोट इन परचेसेस. ओके, इन परचेस रिटर्न में सोच के डेबिट में लिख दिए, सॉरी क्रेडिट में लिख दिए, राइट, लाइक दैट. देन टोटलिंग द ट्रायल बैलेंस रॉन्गली. आप टोटल करते वक्त ट्रायल बैलेंस का टोटल गलत करें, सब सही है लेकिन वहाँ पे गलती करें. दिस कैन बी इजीली ट्रेस्ड. ओके, एंड एरर्स दैट डू नॉट अफेक्ट द ट्रायल बैलेंस. समटाइम्स देर मे बी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन विच they will ask errors that can be affected by the trial balance, errors that cannot be affected or detected by the trial balance. तो ऐसे में ये वाला यूजफुल होता है. See those errors. Omitting an entry altogether from the subsidiary books. पूरा का पूरा जनरल एंट्री ही भूल जाना. Making an entry with the wrong amount in the subsidiary books. Wrong amount से लिखना है. ओके, both sides you wrote wrong, not in one side. Posting the amount in wrong account but correct side. Okay, these are errors. See, posting an amount in the wrong account but correct side. Debit side ही लिखना था. Okay, you need to write in debit side of A के debit में लिखना है. You wrote debit side itself, but not in A book. In the books of B you wrote debit side. So because of this, trial balance will get agree. So these are the various errors which are do not affect the trial balance or which cannot be detected by the trial balance. So if you see errors, simply एक चार्ट बना दे ये यहाँ पे देखिए. errors of principle. Okay, treating revenue expenses as capital expenditure or vice versa बोले तो एक दूसरे के. सेल ऑफ फिक्स्ड असेट्स एज ऑर्डिनरी सेल, ट्रायल बैलेंस विल गेट अग्री. एरर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल है तो ट्रायल बैलेंस अग्री होता है, बट इट इज नॉट करेक्ट वे टू डू दी अकाउंट्स. क्लरिकल एरर्स, errors of commission, errors of omission, errors of omission, errors of commission and compensating errors. Compensating errors will agree the trial balance which cannot be detected. एक error of principle और एक error of compensating. Be careful with these two things. These will make the trial balance get agree when you are thoroughly correctly with your accounting knowledge, that is accounting principle policies आपको सब सही पता है तो then only you can detect these errors, otherwise you cannot. Because trial balance will get agree, you will feel that everything is correct. Clerical errors, for this purpose accounting, to know the errors relating to error of principle and compensating errors, auditing and watching and verification process will be taken. Errors of commission, errors of omission, omission and commission, these two things are two different things. Okay, errors of omission, there are two. One is completely you are omitting the general entry, पूरा का पूरा छोड़ दिए, then trial balance will agree. Okay, trial balance will agree and just we need to write the account in that journal entry again in the subsidiary books, or trial balance will get agree. Okay, then next, omitting to post in the ledger accounts from the subsidiary books, these are known as partial omission. These are known as partial omission. Trial balance will not agree upon these. And errors of commission, trial balance will not agree. Okay, errors of commission will be writing wrong amount in the subsidiary books. Okay, wrong casting. Okay, ये wrong amount जो है ना, trial balance will get agree, but wrong casting in subsidiary books, posting in subsidiary books, or posting on the wrong side of account. Okay, wrong balancing of an ledger account, these are known as errors of commission or clerical errors. Okay, trial balance will not agree for these things. So this is how you need to learn about rectification of errors types. How to rectify we have not discussed, just there will be one theory question relating to it. What is mean by errors, explain the various types of errors, just you write this much, that will be enough. सीखते रहो, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. So like and share the video to your friends. Okay, that will be helpful for them. And prepare well for your exams. All the best. Jai Hind.